Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to be here doing this video today. Back in the beginning in 2019 when I started my YouTube channel, to do unboxing videos. It makes everybody happy. I love being surprised, and everybody really enjoyed my unboxing videos. At one point, we decided that we needed to manifest a new home. So I did have a lot of my subscription services turned off to save up the money we needed to make that happen. We're here. We've got our home. We made it happen. It's been, oh my goodness, 2 years, almost 3, since I have done an unboxing video like this. But I'm back to do it again, and I'm so happy you're here to watch me. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Mindful Souls. Yes, I am. I am getting the Mindful Soul subscription again, and I'm here to do my first unboxing. This is actually box number 31 for me because I stopped at 30 and put my subscription service on hold. But something told me it's time for me to start doing this again, and so here I am. So we're going to open the box number 31 from Mindful Souls, and we're just going to pick up where we left off. So let's do it. Oh my gosh, I missed you. And just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. Yes, the packaging is still just amazing as it was. On top is a sticker. It says healthy body, healthy mind, healthy spirit. Yes, love. And the affirmation card. I have a whole entire vision board covered in these affirmation cards, and there's still space. So this one will go up there. The affirmation for compassion. Boy, do we need this right now. Compassion is a force of nature that transforms everyone it touches. And that's a heart. Have a heart. That's what Mindful Souls said as they handed me this subscription box. Have a heart. Yes, please. The next thing in the box is the little flyer that describes everything that will come in the box, and I will read that as I pick the things out. Whoa, look at all these goodies. I'm so excited. On the very top is Good Earth, Goloka Good Earth Agarwood Malaysia incense. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It smells like summertime. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Strong, authentic scents are powerful stimulators during meditative state. Light this handmade incense and take in its delightful fragrance. Calm your mind. Allow these scents to intrigue your inner state and imaginative side. Feel the underlying trust that something light and graceful is guiding your way, and little by little, a different side of you will come through. That's amazing. I love it. Okay, next thing I see is a breezy aloe vera soap, soft skin therapy. This looks divine. Let me smell. Oh, that smells like summer. What? Beautiful. And aloe vera is known as a higher power plant that can clear the space and bright light positive energy. This extra gentle soap enriched with aloe's nourishing juice will soothe, hydrate, and moisture your skin. Use it daily and overwhelm yourself with the endless benefits of aloe's healing, cleansing, and protecting powers. Oh, sorry. Love that so much. Okay, next. I see what looks like an amazing candle. Oh, look at this. Look at. Okay, this has like a plastic. So now I got to smell it. This is the 7 Chakra Travel 10 candle. Oh, gosh. This smells like a crystal shop. That's what it smells like. Oh my gosh. It says exquisite fragrance candle, and that's it. Exquisite fragrance candle. Aromatherapy candles are perfect for relaxing rituals that unwind your soul and reset your busy mind. The sweet, soothing fragrance is a natural way to reduce stress, anxiety, and improve your well-being. Save the hour for yourself, clear your mind, and raise your vibrations ritual after ritual. You guys, look at Oh, it's oceany and oh my gosh, it's amazing. Love it. Okay, so what we have left here are 3 little pouches. I have a ton of these from the previous boxes. I love these. I reuse them. I send out things in them. Why? Because it says mindful souls on the front of them. Aren't they cute? They do come in different sizes. So I'm going to, let's see, which one do I want to pick first? I'm going to pick this one first. So I pick the one down in this corner. And let's grab the paper. Feels like a crystal. Definitely, I was super drawn to pick this one first. Nuh-uh. You guys, it's a Merkaba star. Yellow aventurine Merkaba star. This adorable little item brings several powerful aspects into one. Merkaba star is a sacred symbol that brightens the path for spiritual and body to reach, for spirit and body to reach the higher realms. The yellow aventurine, also known as solar plexus stone, brings creative, positive vibrations that can assist in necessary life transformations. This is yellow aventurine Merkaba. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. I can really feel the energy. Oh my gosh. I'm seeing a huge sunshine, a big sunshine with rays just extending out across the whole planet. I'm so happy. What? This little guy, I have these little metal crystal cage necklaces. This is going in one of those, and I'm going to put this around my neck. Hold on a minute. Okay, I had to go grab one. I sell these in my Etsy store along with pretty much every type of crystal you can think of. Let's see if this guy will fit in here. Oop. Rumbling. I wonder if I have a bigger one. I may have to look for a bigger one, but this is good enough for now. There we go. There she is. Sticking out just a little bit on the side there. May have to find a bigger one. I do have different sizes. I just grabbed one real quick. But that's how I will be wearing this beauty. Yes. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go for the next little baggie. And I picked the other white one. There's 2 white ones and a black one. This one is a crystal too. Ooh, this looks like calcite, blue calcite. This is a raw piece of blue calcite. Okay, so calcite crystal. Calcite stone brings one's emotions and intellect into union. It's an excellent tool to evoke deeper awareness, allowing you to see things from a different perspective and leading you with success during change and challenges. Boy, is that needed right now. Have this adorable stone in your pocket, near your bed, or in your favorite place at home and take in all the magical properties this adorable crystal has to offer. Beautiful. Do I have some? I don't think I have a piece of raw calcite. So I love gorge. So pretty. Okay, happy. All right, guys, there's one more left. And this is the little black baggie. Oh, it's a bracelet. Look at that. What? Look at that. It kind of looks like either fire quartz or red carnelian, but this is called, I didn't have this one either. This is called silk agate. The healing properties of agate are unbelievably powerful. This magical stone is capable of transforming all that is negative into bright and positive. Wear this bracelet daily or whenever you feel its guidance is needed. Make all the anger, tension, doubt, and concerns fade away and invite calmness, clarity, and wellness into your path. Look at this beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's very sturdy, very well made, and the energy is incredible. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What an amazing box to come back to. I'm very happy with every single piece. Now Now remember, we got the incense, the awesome candle, the aloe soap, the little Merkaba star, the calcite, and the silk agate. What an awesome haul. Yes, I've decided I'm going to go ahead and take this guy and I'm going to make a cage out of copper. Copper is a much better for conducting energy. So, and it works really well with our bodies. So, I will come back after I edit this video, and before I send it out, I will come back and show you how that comes out. This came in this beautiful little box. I love Mindful Souls packaging so much. But it came in this beautiful box with this little piece of paper. It says, your magnetic energy talisman was created to be your daily companion in attracting all things wonderful. This powerful piece contains rainbow quartz for positive vibes and clarity. It has a magnetic core to draw good fortune your way. It has a copper coil to amplify your intentions, and it's made with premium resin to seal all the energy in. And it comes with a quick little activational ritual. It says, hold your talisman in both hands, close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and whisper your deepest wish. Your talisman is now attuned to your energy. So I wanted to share that I received that. It's so amazing, and it's so powerful. It is so powerful. So I just wanted to share that. If you guys are interested, go check out Mindful Souls. I will leave a link. And the talisman actually came with a tarot deck, and these cards are amazing. So very cute little full flip box. On the back it says, tarot helps us see what we already know but sometimes forget. It's got gold on it. The inside looks like this. Their packaging, spot on. Okay, it does come with a cute little guidebook, and it's not anything extraordinary, but it is perfect. It has all the information that you need to know inside. It tells you how to get to know the deck. It tells you a little bit about tarot, and then it tells you about each of the cards. It comes with a cap card that tells you a little bit about Mindful Souls. The backs of the cards look like this. They are so beautiful. Look at that. Gold. Beautiful. The cardstock is very, very good. The cards themselves are black and white. So you could actually color these if you really wanted to, which I will be doing. Yeah. So I figured before we end this video, I will pull a couple cards and get a beautiful message for the collective here who has watched this video. All right, calling in my guides and protectors, angels, ancestors of the love and light. We only want high vibrational interactions here. What message can I share with the beautiful, divine, creative souls who are watching this video? My beautiful friends who come here to see me unbox these happy boxes. What message do we need to know? Ooh, that popped right out. Temperance, balance. The world is so out of balance. The Temperance card depicts an angel pouring water between 2 cups, symbolizing opposites and finding balance. The figure is represented with 1 foot on land and 1 foot in water, symbolizing the harmony between being grounded and finding your flow. The triangle on the angel's robe symbolizes the unity. The Trinity symbolizes the Trinity and the unity between mind, body, and spirit, which I wear a talisman that symbolizes that as well. The Temperance card encourages us to find moderation, peace, and harmony in all aspects of our lives. So let's pull one more card. And I'm so sorry for the interruptions, they just keep coming. And see if there is a specific area that somebody out there needs to find balance, harmony, and peace in. Okay. You guys, I can't make this up. We got the world. We need so much balance and harmony in the world right now. This is the earth. This is the vibration. This is us shifting to the new earth. This is us going from this dense, dark, 3D terrible. Our country is literally falling apart as we speak, going into a beautiful, balanced, harmonious world. I couldn't have asked for a better message to share with y'all today. Thank you guys so much for coming back and joining me for my first unboxing of Mindful Souls, my first returned unboxing of Mindful Souls. I appreciate each and every one of you that comes here to watch me. And don't forget to, if you like my video, don't forget to put a like on the video. If you think somebody out there might want to see what's inside one of these boxes and want one for themselves, share it along. Otherwise, meet me back here again next month for the next box number 32. All right, guys, I am lifting you all in the most abundant and divine highest light. Blessed be.